it's very short. Don't underestimate this little duet because Mozart is never to be underestimated, in my opinion. This little duet is filled with elegance, is filled with stylistic little details that cannot be overlooked, and it needs to be played with the sense of transparency, like every Mozart piece. Well, this is the last piece in this book. I hope you guys enjoyed the journey on both violin and the viola. I hope you had fun playing this either with my MP3s that I'm including only on Patreon, on my Patreon site, or with a friend. That's great too. Thank you very much for your attention and your support. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.